Hey guys, I'm gonna do a Soviet video explaining the difference between molecules and elements, and then mixtures and compounds. So you look at this situation here. We've got R. So if I have R, take a second. Do you think this represents a molecule or an atom? This actually represents. This is an atom. What does this represent? Well, this represents a molecule. So you might say, well, what's the difference between this? They're both R, but why is this an atom and this a molecule? Well, it's because there are more than one of the R particles, in this case rubber bands, connected to each other, so that would make it a molecule. So how about this? Atom or molecule? This is a molecule. How about La10? That's a 10. Atom or molecule? Molecule. And then if we go here, La2SM, this would also be a molecule. Right? So if we go back to this one, I can ask a question. What if I put a number in front of this? What if I have 4R? Does that change whether or not it's an atom? And the answer is no. It actually doesn't change it. This is still an atom. It's just now you have 4 of the atoms instead of what we had here, which is when we had 1 of the atoms. Okay? So then coming over here, I've got 2 problems, 1 and 2. And one of the things I've asked my students is, how many atoms and how many molecules are represented here? So if we were to count up the atoms, right, we would see that this is 2 small paper clips. This is 3 rubber bands. So 2 small paper clips plus 3 rubber bands is 5, right? So there's 5 things here. So this is 5, and I have 6 of them, right? So 6 times 5 would mean I have 30 atoms total in this. How many molecules are there? The answer is 6 molecules. Right? So I have 6 molecules. Those 6 molecules have 30 total atoms in them, right? And then if we look at this one, this is an example of a mixture because of this word. The word "and" indicates a mixture because you're going to have 2 different types of pure substances, right? Pure substance is anything that is all the same throughout. So all 6 of these are the same, R2SM. So they look the same, you make them the same way. All of these, there's 2 of these, are 3 large paper clips together. So these are the same. But there's 2 different substances together, and so this makes this a mixture. I could ask, how many atoms altogether are in this mixture? When you look here, here's 3 atoms in that molecule, but you have 6 molecules. So 6 molecules times 3 atoms means we have a total of 18 atoms here. We have 2 molecules here. Each molecule has 3 large paper clips. 2 times 3 is 6. So we add those together, and we end up with 24 atoms in this mixture. So that's it. That's going to help. I think that should help you with the worksheet. Let me know, or Ms. Millerberry, if you have any questions.